Okay. Good morning, student. Now we are going to complete English workshop of the lesson The Fun They Had today. 1. Use the proper punctuation mark. Punctuation mark is asked for 2 marks. Proper punctuation mark should be used while writing and reading where necessary. For example, where did you find it? Who said to whom this? मार्जी आस्क टॉमी. मग हे मार्जीच्या तोंडचे शब्द आहे म्हणून याला या ठिकाणी डबल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमामध्ये घ्यायचं आहे. पेज नंबर तुम्ही टेक्स्टबुक पेज नंबर बघा, पेज नंबर 6वर ते वाक्य दिलेलं आहे. व्हेअर डिड यू फाइंड इट, डबल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा द्यायचा आहे, प्रश्नचिन्ह या ठिकाणी द्यायचं आहे आणि नंतर डबल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा कंप्लीट करायचा आहे. सेकंड, what's it about? This is the statement or sentence. Put in this sentence into double inverted comma, then put a question mark and complete double inverted comma. In the same way, all these 5 sentences are given in your textbook. You have to read the text carefully and find out 5 sentences from the text and write down them in your homework properly by using proper punctuation mark as per given in the text. Then the following sentence have an usual meaning in the context of the story. In the context of the story, write what these sentences would mean today and what they mean in the context of the story. Means word to word meaning is not necessary here. For example, she had been hoping, she means Margie had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. What is the exact meaning, or what does Margie want to say? She had been hoping that the teacher would dismiss the teacher away altogether. Away altogether means to dismiss. Then second, they had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly 1 month. To take away means to suspend here. Means they had suspended Tommy's teacher. They had suspended, takeच्या जागी suspended, takenच्या जागी suspended Tommy's teacher away for nearly 1 month. Then it wasn't a regular teacher. It means the mechanical teacher. What does the word it stand for in this lesson? It means the mechanical teacher. It was a man. It wasn't a regular teacher. It means the human teacher also. It was a man. It was man means human being. It was man means human being. Regular teacher means here it wasn't a regular teacher. Means the human at that time or in those days there were not regular teacher, but the teacher was human. And then how could a man be a teacher? Margie asked Tommy, how could be man? Because Margie was taught by a mechanical teacher or by a robot, and that's why Margie was very wonderful. She exclaimed, how could be a man a teacher? म्हणजे एक मनुष्य कसं काय शिक्षक असेल? Means in the same way, a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girls it teaches. ते शिक्षक जे शिकवायचे म्हण कॉमन स्टुडंट, कॉमन लर्नर, हायर लर्नर. Only human teacher can adjust with the student. It means. Now, write words related to the following words, at least 10 words each. For example, 3 words are given in circle: book, then school, and then family. So now we are going to take an example of book. I am going to tell you some words. A book means pages. Book means author or writer. Book means knowledge. Book means kinds of book, novel, etc. And you have to write remaining words as homework. Then school, write down 10 related words. I am going to tell you only 4 or 5 words, and then you have to complete the remaining word. For example, school building, school bus, then school teacher, then school education, school garden, etc. And you have to write minimum remaining words related to school. Then in the same way, family, 1, 2 has been given for your help. For example, home, family small. In the same way, family, father, mother, parents, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, love, protection, etc. These are the words related to the given word family. Such type of question is asked in your question paper. For 2 marks, you have to complete 1 word is given for your help, and with the help of given words, you have to complete the word diagram. For example, noun is given, you have to write adjective. If adjective is given, you have to write noun. If verb is given, you have to write their adverbs in the same way. Okay? Then discuss how would you like to learn. Personal response time question. How would you like to learn? Would you like to learn under the leadership of or under the guidance of human teacher or mechanical teacher? Some would like to learn under human teacher. Some would not like to learn under human teacher. Some would like to learn under the guidance of mechanical teacher. Then from a human teacher or a mechanical teacher, would you like to teach under the guidance of human teacher or mechanical teacher? Then place your argument in the form of a chart. Now human teacher and mechanical teacher. Advantages and disadvantages. An essay will be asked to you. Write down the name of essay. Advantages and disadvantages of human teacher and mechanical teacher. You have to complete this essay and you have to write the essay in your essay book. The date of this essay is today's date, 3rd July 2020. Okay, this essay is given to you. Then 5, rewrite the following using complete words instead of constructed form. Write down constructed form, short form. For example, was not, wasn't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, like this. आता what we are going to do, we are going to rewrite the following using complete word instead of constructed form. Already constructed form is given. For example, you are. ओके, तर इथं फुल लिहायचं. वेन यू आर गोईंग, YOUR, when you are through, then and it's is a spoken form and its full form is it is. Then I wouldn't means I would not like. Remember, I would not like, throw it away. She hadn't means had not. Long form is hadn't, a long form had not. In the same way, what means what is. What is a written form, and there is difference between what is, it is a spoken form, and what we are going to write its full form or written form. It is a, what is it about. I have, I पूर्ण करून हॅव लिहायचं आहे तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी. आय डोंट मीन्स आय डू नॉट नो, मला माहीत नाही. इट वॉजंट मीन्स वॉज नॉट. अ रेग्युलर टीचर, यू हॅव टू write all the constructive form and full form of the remaining verbs or auxiliary verbs. Okay, if you have any difficulty about it, for example, do not, don't, was not, wasn't, what is, you are, then wouldn't, then had not means wouldn't means would not, hadn't means had not. Okay, then underline the verbs and choose the correct option from the bracket. Two columns are given there, A and B. At first we are going to take column A. We are going to recognize tense. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn recognize the tense. Two options are given, and given from two options we have to find correct one option. For example, I am going to tell you, Margie even wrote about it. Underline the verb wrote. What is by mean wrote? Wrote is a past tense of write. That is, it is a V2 of write, and that's why wrote means ये given a present tense, past tense. मग wrote past tense. त्या ठिकाणी काय लिहायचं, अंडरलाइन करून past tense. आन्सर लिहायचं past tense. In the same your second sentence, Tommy found a new book. Here is Tommy is a subject. Tommy. Today Tommy found. Today हा कालवाचक शब्द आहे. टुडे म्हणजे काल, टुडे म्हणजे आज. शक्यतो टुडे किंवा आत्ता, नाऊ असे जर शब्द दिले असतील तर शक्यतो तो प्रेझेंट टेन्स असतो. येस्टरडे असेल तर तो शक्यतो पास्ट टेन्स असतो किंवा V2 दिला असेल. परंतु या ठिकाणी टुडे जरी दिलेला आहे तर फाइंड, व्हॉट इज बाय मीन फाइंड? फाइंड इज past tense of found is a past tense of find, and that's why Tommy found a new book. टॉमीला एक नवं पुस्तक सापडलं. केव्हा सापडलं? यापूर्वी सापडलं. या म्हणजे यापूर्वी घडणाऱ्या ज्या घटना आहे त्या घटनांचा उल्लेख करण्यासाठी आपण पास्ट टेन्स वापरतो. जनरली पास्ट टेन्स इज यूज्ड टू शो द इन्सिडेंट विच was taken place in the past, and that's why it is a past tense. Then another one, third sentence and last sentence, my father knows. आता बघा, नो हे या ठिकाणी क्रियापद आहे पण त्याला यस प्रत्यय लागला आहे. V1 असेल किंवा नो न्यू नोन असं लक्षात ठेवायचं. नो न्यू नोन, आता याला यस प्रत्यय लागला आहे. या ठिकाणी माय फादर इज 1/3 पर्सन सिंग्युलर शब्द, अँड दॅट्स वाय सिंपल प्रेझेंट इज देअर, म्हणून या ठिकाणी प्रेझेंट टेन्स आलेला आहे. Okay, then Margie was scornful. We are going to find singular or plural.